Letting go doesn't mean giving up, but rather accepting that there are things that cannot be changed. Sometimes holding on can do more damage than letting go. Moving on doesn't mean forgetting, it means you choose happiness over hurt. The only way to make room for new blessings is to let go of what no longer serves you. Letting go is the ultimate act of self-love. The hardest part about moving on is realizing that the other person already did. You can't start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. Don't let the fear of the unknown keep you from moving forward. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. The only thing more exhausting than holding on is letting go. Letting go doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're strong enough to release what no longer serves you. You can't reach for anything new if your hands are still full of yesterday's junk. Change can be scary, but you know what's scarier? Allowing fear to stop you from growing. You can't change what's behind you, but you can change what's ahead of you. Sometimes the hardest part isn't letting go, but learning to start over. Happiness is letting go of what you think your life is supposed to look like and celebrating it for everything that it is. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. The moment you're ready to quit is usually the moment right before the miracle happens. In the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. Life becomes easier when you learn to accept an apology you never received. Forgive yourself for not knowing what you didn't know before you learnt it. Don't let the shadows of the past darken the doorstep of your future. When you let go, you create space for something better. Letting go is liberating. It's like finally exhaling after holding your breath for too long. Trust that when the universe closes a door, it's because it's leading you to a better one.